Hi, today I will show you that one of the games that I like to play on my free time. This one they call 3D puzzle. This is made by wood, so this particular one is very fun. And in summer or sometime on a holiday, and you don't have anything to do at home, you just go into the toy department store and pick up one of these, and then and you can spend a couple hours to finish it. So this come out for 3D. In order to finish this particular puzzle, you need one of these. They come in several designs. Let me show you. Okay. So this one is dinosaurs. So they are most of them are skeleton. And this one they have a different kind of bone on the head texture. And I finished one of those with a lot of funny bone there. So they're all dinosaur, but they have different structures. And in order to finish one of those, you need a filing. The nail filing. So, and if you have glue, it's good. If you don't have glue, you can use one of these. Hairsprays. Hairspray. So that way, when you finish the projects, you can glue them together. So I will show you briefly how to put them together. Basically, it's really fun. And with this woodwork puzzle, you need to be very gentle when you open the packages. And there you go. And I do have a diagram of how to put them together, but sometimes they're a little bit tricky, so you have to, work around with that. So you go to pop them out. Like this. Right. After you pop them out, sometimes they have, little fuzzies outside, so you're going to using the nail file to sand them up, especially the joints. I thought it's only a joint, so we should use sand a joint. So when you put them together, you can, they will look prettier. Okay. So that's what you're going to do with a filing sandpaper. If you don't have a filing, you can get an adult to purchase for you a filing, the sandpaper from the hardware department. This one, because I'm a girl, so I do filing my nails. So I'm using the filing nail to work with. So basically, you're going to pop them out. And be very gentle, because with this particular 3D woodwork, they only have one piece for each. So the moment you break it, it's that it. But I find out if you ever happen to break one of the pieces, and you basically can glue them back with the Scotch tape and the spray glue or hairspray, but it take a while for them to glue back together. That's why I recommend you, when you play this particular game, you pick up at least one or two to be good, because sometimes when you detaching them from the form like this, they're going to break right in the center. So if you have second of these, you can replace that particular exactly the same to one of those. Pick the same one, pick two, That's my recommendation, because just in case you break one of the bowl, they are very fragile. So like this one, see, after you break them up, this still the little pieces get in there. So see, and you're going to use your nail file to clean them up. Okay. Okay, I'll come back when I finish detaching them, and I'll show you what happened. Okay, I just pause it so that way you don't have to watch every single step. But basically, you're going to detaching them, and then you're going to sand hold them. Okay, we with you shortly.